ICC arrest Vice Duterte Sara coming soon. Former Senator Sonny Trillanes says that International Criminal Court ICC is expected to issue arrest warrants against former President Rodrigo Duterte by mid-year and for his daughter Vice President Sara Duterte along with other principal actors in subsequent batches in connection with the bloody war on drugs. Late second quarter lalabas yung warrant, so pwede na nating i-stretch yun. Sabihin mo ng middle of the year, siguro June, July, dun mangyayari yan. So it's a waiting game at this point. Itong warrant of arrest would come in batches. The first batch, isa lang, si Duterte lang, the father. Tapos second batch na yung mga ibang principal actors. Maaaring sa second o sa third batch kasama sa mga arrest warrant si Vice President Sara Duterte.
The former senator expressed that President Marcos, who was firm against cooperating with the ICC, will say what he needs to say but will do what he needs to do at the proper time. He did not elaborate. Let's wait for the warrant of arrest to be out. He noted that the complex relationship between Marcos and the younger Duterte was not due to the ICC investigation against her father, but the Duterte's camp effort to oust the incumbent president under the rule of succession. When Marcos is ousted, the vice president will replace him. I believe that is not the reason why they split up, because the split happened way earlier. During the latter part of 2022, the Duterte camp is already maneuvering. They are already strategizing. It's part of the many reasons, but that is not the only reasons, he added.
Salamat sa panonood. Para sa inyong mga opinion, magkomento lamang po sa baba. At kung bago ka sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang i-like ang video, mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat po.